Hello again, Pietro here, all the way from Paris, France. We got a package today in the mail. I wonder what it could be. You saw the thumbnail. Let's use the trusty Kershaw here. Slice her open. Oh, it's a ring! It's a circular ring! I wonder if it's different than the other two. This one was from January or December, something like, yeah, January. This one was from June or July. And then that one broke. I think it's, nope. These are the shells. Inbox number, there we go. So it charges, but it just, and look, it looks really good. I mean, the button, no cracking. The ring, it turns on, kind of. The light stopped working. So I contacted Circular, and this was back in July. So July, August, September, October. Day after tomorrow is November. So 4 months later, this baby arrives. And inside, oh, is the ring. Well, that's interesting because it looks the same. I thought it was gonna, well, no, it's different. Hang on. You know, when in doubt, try again. You know, it's like one of those card games you see them playing on the street. So that's box number 1.
I was showing someone 3-card Monty. I have 3 cards. The first card is a joke. Second card is a joker. The third card is an ace.
Yeah, I lost my first ring, but it had completely fallen apart. This is box number 2, and I just remembered, I don't know where my charger is, and this is box number 3. So the boxes look the same. So this is my second one. There's some slight wear and tear on the ring itself. Let's light up the room, shall we? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so that's the one from July, and this is the one from October. Yeah, the shell is not gonna fit on there because there's no, it would just fall off, I think. I guess if I super glued it, but there's no lip, there's no rim. Kind of fits on there. Okay, let me find my charger. We'll be right back. I really thought it was gonna be a whole new design. I mean, it is more rounded. It looks a little more polished, as if they didn't want me to put the shell. See, there was a rim around this one, but it came off. You can see part of it if I zoom in here. So I'm filming on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. You can see that ledge rim. There's no rim on the October design. And it looks to be a redesign on the button. The one on the left is the old one. The one on the right is the new one. Looks like I already scratched it. Way to go, Pete. The prongs are still there. The sensors still to the right. Looks very, very similar. All right, be back in a bit. Good news, I found my charger. Put on the new ring, and then immediately said, once you have placed your ring on the charger, it will appear below. And it did. Setting up, this might take a minute. Ooh, did you hear that? It was just vibrating. That was cool. And I tried to charge the old one. It's really dead. I'll try that at a later time. Oh, setup is complete. Done. Pick your ring's data mode. Performance, yes, performance. Out of date, update. Upgrading ring, sending ring upgrade over Bluetooth. So far, so good. Now there's a big question here, and a very important one. Does this French company, Circular, do they prefer Android or Apple? Does it matter if you have an iPhone or a Google Android phone? I tend to think they favor Android, but this is my primary phone, so ring upgrade complete, done. I'm going to give this one a whirl. Now my old one is still on here, and it says it was last synchronized on August 31st, and that's this old one. We'll keep that separate. All right. So if I hit vibrate, did you hear that? Yay. So it says the battery is full. I can name it. All right. Firmware release. Your ring runs the latest firmware. No further action is required. So I'll just put it on, shall we? Where are we going to put it? Or a 2.0, or a 3.0, or a 3.0. So my right hand has been sold to Aura. This is the Ultra Human Ring Air to my left thumb for now. And we're going to put this on my left index finger. They recommend that you put the little vibration button on the outer edge. And then did you see it glow right there? So funny enough, it said it was at 100%, but all of a sudden it dropped to 84%, and now it's synchronizing. In the past, the synchronization has been very, very slow. Now they have a fun thing that says check live metrics, and I have not done this in months because, again, my last one stopped. And do you see the glow? It's glowing. See right there? Red and green. Here, we'll do a screencast, and then we'll dim the lights, and then you can see what I can see without all the glare. It'll be fun, trust me. Kill the lights. This is gonna be like Steven Spielberg and E.T., just the nice glow of the monitors. Oh, that's nice. Do you see my, oh, ow. Did I say that right? Heart rate, 86. Data accuracy, good, oh, poor. Percent of max HR, 46. HRV, 69 milliseconds. SpO2, 95, 96. All right. So let's compare that to my fancy Garmin here. It says my heart rate is 82. And you're seeing the screen, 83, 84, 85. Okay, I should just chill here, because if I, move my left arm around, that's gonna, wow, that is really, can you see how bright that is? Yowza. That's a lot brighter than the Oura Ring. So now, instead of the Freak with 4 rings, I'm the Freak with 5. So I need to sell my Enzo ring and maybe get the Ring-Con. Then I'll have 3 Oura, a circular, an Ultra Human Ring Air, and a Ring-Con. That'd be fun. Okay, they've added some new animation. They have made many app updates. So that's good. Let's bring on little lights. I know it's Halloween tomorrow and all, but that's just bad lighting and makes my nose look really big. All right. So the sensor's working. I'm gonna walk around, gonna sleep with this tonight. We're gonna hit the alarm clock. And one of the fun things about this is it has a smart alarm. So tomorrow, I'm going to wake up early and work out for a change. Maybe go for a run, a very vigorous walk. 6:15 sounds good. Edit vibration. Okay, now this is the fun part. Watch this. I've done a video on this before, but it's so cool. We just have to do it again because this is what makes the circular ring so unique. So keep a look at that. This would be the auto default, heartbeat, quick, rapid, SOS, staccato. Uh-oh, we lost it. We lost connection. Okay, so smart alarm, we're gonna say smart alarm is 30 minutes, save, and snooze, make it smart, we'll say 2 minutes, and save, and what happened to vibration? Huh. Wow, and now my battery is down to 51%. That's not good. That's not good at all. Okay, well, I'll just put that back on my finger. 51%? It was just at 100. You're looking at the times. Hey. All right, well, it does say the Circular app is still in beta. So, important disclaimer, you are about to use the Circular's AI-enabled recommendations alpha. Please read the following. Do I have to read all this? Well, if I have to read it, then you have to listen. You are about to use Circular's AI-enabled recommendation alpha. Please read the following. Okay. Your anonymized data will be used by an AI with potential limitations. The information provided by the AI is provided in good faith. However, it is not meant to provide diagnostics of health instructions, to help to cure or treat health conditions, or provide any treatment services for medical conditions. It can't, by no means, replace health professionals. That means see a doctor. It should not be used to manage health, I've become parched. It can't by no means replace health professionals. It should not be used to manage life-threatening issues that need medical attention. You must be at least 18 years old to use services. Circular incorporates advanced technologies, including OpenAI, to provide personalized wellness recommendations based upon user data. To deliver the best possible experience, we require your consent to utilize the data summarization feature. By agreeing to use Circular and its associated services, you acknowledge and accept that your data will be processed in part by OpenAI algorithms to generate personalized wellness recommendations. It's been a long day. Please note that while every effort is made to ensure the accuracy and relevancy of the recommendations, they should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice or diagnosis. See a real doctor wearing a fancy lab coat. The wellness recommendations provided by Circular are intended to complement your overall health and well-being, but it is always advisable to consult with a qualified healthcare professional like Garmin, like Khoros, like Apple, like Amazfit, or any significant changes in your lifestyle, diet, or exercise routine. Meaning, if you're not feeling well, don't just buy a gadget and think some magical $600 watch is going to fix your ailment. Go see a doctor. Or someone that played a doctor on General Hospital. By using Circular and agreeing to this disclaimer, you understand and agree that any reliance on the wellness recommendations provided is at your own risk. Circular and its affiliates shall not be held liable for any direct or indirect damages or losses arising from the use of Circular or the implementation of the wellness recommendations. If you have any concerns or questions about the data summarization feature or its implications, please contact our support team. Your feedback is essential to us, and we are committed to providing you with a secure and personalized wellness experience. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. The Circular team. I agree and understand. Okay. Generate daily recommendation. Sure. Okay, maybe it needs to have a day. You just switched feed views. You can now do so by choosing the top. Oh, okay. There we go. Ideal sleep duration, 7 hours and 50 minutes. Ideal bedtime, 8:30. I'm late going to bed. It's 8:54. You might notice that the above information provided by the metrics feed. Note that in order to calculate your ideal bedtime, you need to have an alarm clock set up on your ring. I did that. If you have multiple alarms set up on your ring, it only consider the alarm that is in the next day and closest from midnight. Don't show this again. Okay, I did the alarm clock. It erased my alarm clock. Okay, let's try this again. So we're going to go to 6 a.m. so I can work out before work. Weekdays, alarm label, wake up. Okay, alert vibration, quick. Ooh. We're going to do symphony. Okay, it vibrated that time. Snooze, make it smart, 2 minutes. Save. Smart alarm, 30 minutes. Save. Okay, forget that. We're gonna change it to 6:30 then, because I don't wake up too early. Quickly synchronize it. Sorry, I forgot I'm screen recording. And battery is now down to 41%. Wowza. Let's see where I am on the leaderboard. I bet it's someone from Germany. Nope. Yay. Bob is on top. Way to go, Bob. And Peter is not even on the leaderboard. All right. We'll just, I'll check back with you tomorrow morning. That was fun. So this is 10 months later. 10 months later and 3 rings later with circular. I lost the first one, but it broke apart. The second one I have, but the light stopped working. Third time is the charm. Circular, I believe in you. That's why I didn't ask for a refund during that first month. And well, I mean, the 1 month return window closed abruptly, and I believe in the product. You didn't pay me to say that. I like the packaging. I like what you're doing with the app. I like what you've done with the app. I see the potential, and I want this to work. Fingers crossed. All right, I'll check the battery life again before bedtime. Now the really cool thing is this is a USB-C charger, and I have the iPhone 15, so I can plug this in the bottom of, oh no I can't because the case. I can plug this in the bottom of an Android phone and charge my ring. The battery size of this smart ring by Circular is so small. I mean, you could charge this thing multiple times and it would barely take it would make a small dent in your phone. I'll have more tomorrow. Pithy comments, type those down below. Were you a follower on Circular? Did you back them on Kickstarter? Did you get your ring yet? I would like to know. Are you a fan? Did you return yours? Are you waiting for the next version? But still, thank you, Circular. I've enjoyed working with you, and it's been fun giving my influence and feedback, my honest feedback, because they have not sent me any money. I didn't write them a check, but I sent them $260 last year. It was last July of 2022 when I did the unboxing of the ring sizing kit. Oh boy. All right, it's almost 2100. I need to get ready for bed because my smart alarm is gonna wake me up very soon. I will see you again tomorrow. Good night.